Hello, hello, hello. This is Garden Talk Jamaican here again, harvesting only Japanese sweet potatoes in my 4x4 bed. I planted 9 slips in this bed, or 10, and I'm going to harvest them today before the rain comes because it looks a little bleaky. So while I cut away all this jungle, I've cut away some, and then I will come back to you. Lots of jungle to clear. Lots of vines. I'll have lots of vines to compost. Of course, I first have to chop them up real good with my lawnmower because I don't want potatoes growing, sweet potatoes growing in my compost heap. So there's a lot going on here. Okay. Okay. Let the third harvesting of potatoes, sweet potatoes for the season 2023 begin. All right now. See what we have here. If we have anything going. Oh yeah. Yes, boy. This girl is so big. Or this guy is so huge. This big fat root. You know this will grow, right? That's going to be something to set potatoes from later on. Can you get a bigger whopper than that? Oh my, my. I was trying to run away from this. Not to get them so big, but then again, I'm harvesting a little bit too late, but that's okay. God is good. It's a blessing. So we only got one from that root, from that vine. So, yeah, right. One big one took up all of the energy. Hmm. Looking good, is it? Anyway, let's look on. Well, we have a little bunch here. Let's move the camera a little closer that you can see that bunch. Here it is. Yeah, we have a bunch here. Here you go. Good, nice size. It'd be lovely if I had some more of those sizes. That's great. There you go. Look at that one. That's better. Some bigger ones. Oh, here's a lovely size. Uh-huh. Quite a few on this vine. It's a good productive vine. The more grow on the vine, the more average the size is. Worm. Not bad. Almost wanted to turn into a Stokes purple. Long. It's not bad. Another little long one. All right, let's go along the bed. Yeah, I think I did plant some of these kind of last minute to as replacement, but should have something here. Here. There you go. Nice little size. Yep. So far, looking good. This part of the bed is dry. Soil is still looking really good. Check out these little things because okay, let's remove some of this. I think I'll move up the camera to see if you can see a little closer what's happening here. Yeah. 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 Okay. So here's what we got. Let's see. I'm gonna move my camera a little closer. Okay, I think that's the closest I can get it without the camera tipping over. So here we have another root up here. Later on, I'm going to take out all of those vines because I may be turning this bed into something else. I don't know. Okay. This side. Show you what's happening here on this side. Okay. I have another bunch here. Not a big one. A bunch nonetheless. Oh, we have a Vardaman mama. Looks fresh, ain't it? Think I'll plant it next season. Think I planted a Vardaman in here. Maybe did trying to find space for it. Probably don't have anything, but we'll see. Some more Japanese. So that was a Vardaman mama without any babies. It seems. Little guy. All right. Hard work here, boy. Okay. We're moving up. Let's see if you can see what we're doing. Yeah. Kind of hard, eh? Okay. Here we go. Camera repositioned to give you a better shot. We hope. Another bunch. Camera falling down. All right. Stay right there. Okay. See what else we have here. Okay, hands are here. Let's see what else we got here. Okay, another little bunch. Aha. Okay, moving on up. Yep. One thing with Japan is they're so pretty. I mean, they are beautiful. And as beautiful, so tasty. Well, I guess I can come up in the bed now. All right, now. Little one. Oh, yeah. Oh, no. It's a little. That's not bad anyway. There you go. Bed is not bad at all, you know. It's not bad. Getting some good stuff here. Yeah. All right. Yeah. Okay. I think I'm finished with this end. I'll go back to the east. What is that? South side? Or the east side? I guess that's the east. I'm pooped already. Anyway, let's go on. But now we have to reposition the camera. All right. Repositioning. All right, now I'm gonna do this side of the bed. Whew, almost there. All right, I'm going up. All right now. All right. Got quite a decent bunch here, people. Oh, yeah. I want to give you a close-up of this bunch so that you can see it, what it looks like. Look at it. Yeah. Let's steady the camera. I don't want to give you a cross-eyed. Yeah. There's a big bunch. I don't want to break anything. Whew. This is nice. Very pretty. Oh, yeah. Mm-hmm. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. No break. Oh, one break. Oh, yeah. Oh, a little one break off. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 on this bunch. Look at it. Right. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Yeah, man. This is good stuff. I like it. For your enjoyment. A little bunch. No, the first slug. Hate them slugs, man. Oh, nasty slugs. Eat your potatoes. Japanese beetles were around here eating the potatoes, so I'm not surprised that I have slugs. Eating the potato leaves. I had lots of Japanese beetles. Tried everything, but whew, I guess they got to eat too, right? Mm-hmm. Animals got to eat. Insects got to eat. Oh, yeah. Don't eat my food. Okay. Guess we're gonna come back here. Okay. Repositioning for the last bit. nice. Uh-oh. Interesting. I think that's scab on that one. Must have had a lot of leaves in this section of the garden, of the raised bed. I've learned about that. Unless the leaves have decomposed, I will not plant them with my potatoes anymore. I just chop them in the potato bin. No, They make scabby potatoes. So far, so good. That's the only scabby one. First pill bug. Not like, oh, like the spill bugs. The pill bugs. Here you go. It's rather interesting. On this side of the bed, which is closest to the sunlight coming in, this is where I got the biggest potatoes. Like this one. The first one I got was very big, of course. But this is the section that is closest south. It's south, not east, yes, south. And this is where I got the huge potato that sweet potato that I'm going to show you in a little while. I keep saying potato. I'm a Jamaican. Potato is potatoes to us. We don't say sweet potato. We just say potatoes. Anyway, sweet potatoes. Whatever it's worth. That's where I got the biggest one. Seems I have another little bed here. Another little root here. Right? Is this where I got the... This is the mama. She's gone. She has done her best and she is out of here. Well, it seems I have another little one here. It's gone. Here. Well, I don't think I have any more big surprises in here. If there's anything, maybe some little guys. Excuse me, I'm sorry. I just burped. Well, here we go. I think that's it, people. That's the 4x4. And I planted, call it 8 then. 9 still. 9 roots. Here's another one. Let's see if there's anything here. Did I do this section? I guess I did. All right. Well, not gonna hold you any longer with a longer video. It is what it is. Here's another guy. Have to go for the last, right? I think I lost my shovel now. Anyway. All right. So, I'm going to show you the haul for today. So, this is today's haul. That's the big mama. That's the big mama jama. I'm glad I don't have any bigger than this one. Too big. So this is it, folks. The total haul for 2023 in the 4x4 bed. 9 vines of Japanese Murasaki sweet potatoes. And this is the biggest one. And I'm glad I don't have any bigger than that one. And then this is the nice little bunch with about 7 was on this bunch. And I thank you so much for watching my videos. I will weigh in and put the weight on the video. Thank you much. Thank you much. Thank you much. Thank you for subscribing and for liking my videos. Appreciate you. May the God Lord bless the work of your hands. Truly, truly, truly. And those of you who are gardeners and farmers, I pray that your harvest is abundant. Have a great day. Peace out.